Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Ford Explorer versus Volvo Xc90 crash test full comparison. Watch closely for key crash differences and safety takeaways you can use when shopping. I will describe test results, restraint performance, and how crash energy is managed by each SUV. Listen for practical tips on seating positions, child restraint placement, and advanced safety tech that can reduce injury risk in real-world crashes. We start with frontal and side impacts to see where energy goes and who fares better. I describe how the crumple zone, load paths, and restraint timing influence chest and head injury metrics. We compare rib deflection, pelvis loads, and dummy readings to interpret real-world risk. Pay attention to how well each SUV controls rotation and intrusion, because that often determines long-term injury outcomes for occupants. Rollover events and electronic aids matter for SUV buyers, so we break these down carefully. I explain how roof strength and center of gravity influence rollover propensity and occupant protection. We also assess AEB, lane keep, and ESC performance that can prevent crashes before they escalate. Finally, I cover post-crash features like automatic emergency calls and cut-off fuel systems that improve survivability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.